Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the auto rotate screen on an Android phone. So in here, there are two ways to do that. The first way and the easiest way is you can just use the push notifications at the top of your Android phone. You can just slide down or your Android phone, and in here you can see this is the auto rotate option, and you can just click on this to turn off the auto rotate screen. And if you're there are also the next options. So you can go to settings, and here click on the display and brightness, and if you scroll down, there is this auto rotate screen. You can see the status is currently on, so if you want to turn it off, you can just click on the circle until it turns to gray like this, and it will be off. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.